Today's video is sponsored by Squarespace. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Jenna. I love to crochet plushies, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today's video, we are going to be going over 15 free amigurumi patterns that I think you guys would love. I've curated this list based off patterns that I use frequently. Also, I threw in some like fall patterns, some spooky season patterns. I am so happy that we are in September and that summer is behind us. I know it's controversial, but I am not a summer girly. It is way too hot for me in the summer. I am 100% a fall girl. Love me some pumpkin spice lattes from Starbucks, flannels, leggings, you name it. I just love being cozy. But anyway, let's jump into the video. So just a disclaimer, all of these patterns come from Instagram. I will include all of the links to the posts down below in the description box. I'll put it all on a Google Doc for you guys. Also, I'd say a lot of these patterns are beginner friendly just because a lot of them are pretty simple, they're miniature, they shouldn't take you too long. You might need to know some more complex stitches such as like a bobble stitch, half double crochet, but you can always just do a quick YouTube search if you need to learn how to do those stitches. That's personally what I do. Even to this day, there's some stitches I'm like, how do you do that again? And I just do a quick YouTube search to like refresh myself on that stitch. But alright, if you see me looking at my phone, it's because I saved all the patterns here on my Instagram. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, the first pattern I am really excited to show you guys because I've been seeing these all over. It is this headphone sprout accessory. Like, I've seen this all over Instagram, YouTube. I think it's just adorable. You can literally put this accessory like on your headphones, on your cords, anywhere really. You can use it as like a headband. So this free pattern will tell you exactly how to make those little sprouts, and it is beginner friendly. So yeah, this is definitely on my to-do list because I really want just a little cute sprout coming out of my head. Next, we have this really cute baby blueberry. I am a sucker for anything like fruit related in plushie form. I made a pear recently that was super cute. I love making crochet strawberries. So when I saw this blueberry pattern, I was like, wait, that's so cute. I think it would also be really cute as a keychain. And yeah, apparently it is no sew, so also love that for us. Moving along, I wanted to include the iconic free dinosaur pattern from Studio Phoebe 22. She actually has two dinosaur patterns. I'll show you both of them actually, because why not? But the one I saved was this one. It is her mini chubby T-Rex pattern, and like, look how cute. Oh, that's the instructions, but like, look how cute and chubby they are. I personally have made a ton of these. I'll like insert a picture here. I love making them like super tiny, but I've also made it out of parfait chunky with a 5mm hook, and they turned out a pretty good size, honestly. Not too big, not too small. I'll also insert a picture here. So yeah, I've seen these chubby dinosaurs all over. They're very popular, and it's a free pattern. And then recently she came out with another free pattern. This is her free stego pattern, and it's so cute. I love that all of her patterns incorporate a level of chubbiness to her plushies because it just makes them so cute. Okay, the next pattern is a little bit more complex, but I just had to add it to the list because you guys know that I am a huge cat person. I love cats, and to this day I haven't really found a cat pattern that I'm like in love with. So when I saw this pattern, I was like, this might be it. This might be the cat pattern that I actually really love, and it is on my to-do list to make. It is this! It's a cat in a freaking like bear hat. Like, what? Look at the little cat. It's so cute. Hello, it is Editing Jenna, and I realized after looking at the pattern more closely, the free pattern is only the bear hat, not the cat. As you can see right here, it says bear hat, free pattern, and then I was like, oh wait, it's literally just for the hat. I will still link the bear hat down below if you want to make it, but I'm going to talk about a different free pattern. Along the same lines of dinosaurs, there's another free dino pattern that I really want to make, and it is a T-Rex with stripes. And this is it. This is what they look like, and it is by Mary Makes, and she also has a YouTube, so I will link the tutorial down below for this pattern. But yeah, aren't they so cute? Like, look at these little mini dinos. I love the stripes to them. So yeah, just another dino pattern to throw into your mix. Next, I have a little flower pattern that I think would make a super cute like desk accessory or like a keychain. I know we're moving out of summer. It's not really time for tulips, but I had to save this pattern because it's so freaking cute. So this is the tulip pattern, and look how many they are. They're so cute. I think it would just be so adorable to have like on your desk, or just as a keychain, or just to like give a friend or something. It's just like a little pop of happiness. It's so cute. I'm definitely biased because I love tulips. I actually have a tulip plushie that I have on my desk. This is from Apple Cheeks. She's an art YouTuber, and I just had to buy this plush because it's so cute. So when I saw the little tulips, I'm like, okay, I need to like make some more tulips and put them on my desk. Okay, next we have this really cute long chicken. I just love how it is so long. It's just like so derpy to me, and I love that. Also, I've been really into making chickens lately, but I really like the design of this one because you don't really see this design often. Also, it looks pretty simple. You really just crochet that cylinder and just add on the feet, the wings, and the beak really. So that's really cute. Just wanted to take a quick break from the video to talk about today's sponsor, Squarespace. Whether you're just starting out or trying to build your brand, Squarespace makes it easy to create professional websites, engage with your audience, and sell anything online. The thing I love most about Squarespace is that their website builder is super user-friendly. I have no coding background, and the fact that they have a drag and drop system makes it so easy for me to design my website exactly how I want it. I also love that they offer the option to have an online store, and that is where I'm able to sell both my digital and physical products. I also love that you can buy a Square Reader and take in-person sales that will automatically sync with your online store. Head to squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/CrochetByGenna to receive 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. Thank you so much, Squarespace, for sponsoring today's video, and with that, let's get back into it. Next, we have a really big 7-in-1 free pattern bundle. And when I saw this, I was like, dang, that is really nice of them. They came out with 7 different variations for their free pattern. So this is it. It is a 7-in-1 free pattern for the Sanrio characters, and they're all miniature, and how adorable are they? It looks like minimal sew too because it looks like a lot of bobble stitches are being used. But yeah, how adorable. It's literally all the Sanrio characters. And fun fact, I actually didn't know about Sanrio until like recently. I've been watching a lot of art YouTube, and the artists always talk about like drawing Sanrio characters. I'm like, what's a Sanrio character? And then I realized like, oh my gosh, like Hello Kitty is one of them. And I'm just like, wow, I had no idea there were like other characters in that like same line. Next, we have another very, very iconic free pattern that I see all over, and I've actually made it recently too for the first time. It didn't do well at my market, but I know it does really, really well at markets for other people, and they whip up super quick. It's no sew. It is this chunky mushroom pattern. Look at that little mushy boy. I absolutely love how she designed the hat because it literally is like a little hat when you crochet it, and the brim is like perfectly aligned at the top, and I'm like, yes, this is a great pattern. So yeah, this chunky mushroom, you can like do a lot of modifications to it. Of course, you can change like the color of the hat. You can add like a little strawberry topper, blueberry topper. I feel like for Halloween, like a witch hat would be really cute. So yeah, I would consider this a really good staple free pattern. All right, moving into the more fall themed plushies, we have this really cute frog in a pumpkin pattern. I'm like looking at it more closely, and it's just so adorable. Like, look at the little pumpkin topper hat. I also love that they use like a fuzzier yarn, and it just makes it look even more like cuddly. But yeah, I had to add this to the list because I think he would make a super cute like desk friend as well, and probably would do really well at markets. It's a very original idea. Moving right along with the fall theme, the next pattern is a free Snoopy pattern. Look at that little Snoopy. I love watching Charlie Brown during the holidays, the Halloween episode, the Christmas episode, the Thanksgiving episode, Charlie Brown on repeat. So of course when I saw a free Snoopy pattern, I was like, I need to make Snoopy. I've actually seen a lot of people use this pattern. In here, it looks like it's just like a pretty miniature Snoopy, but I've seen people make like jumbo Snoopies and it's so cute. I really want to make a jumbo Snoopy, and I actually have a customer of mine who wants one, so that will give me the perfect opportunity to make jumbo Snoopy. I also would really like to make Woodstock, which is Snoopy's little friend. I think he's a bird, right? Yeah, I think Woodstock would be really cute. I need to go look for a Woodstock pattern now. All right, the next free pattern that I have for you guys is this little candy pattern. It is no sew, which is amazing. We always love no sew. But yeah, with Halloween right around the corner, it would be super cute to make a bunch of these crochet candies, even though I don't think kids would appreciate you giving out crochet candies versus real candy. Maybe for like the real little babies, it would be cute. Or at markets, I feel like people would like that. All right, moving right along. Next, we have this adorable little bat pattern. We can't have spooky season without some crochet bats. I tried to crochet a bat last year and it did not turn out good. Like, it was not cute. I think I stopped halfway because I was just like, this ain't it. But this pattern actually looks really straightforward and I love the design of the bat. So I will definitely try this one. Along the same lines of crochet candy, we have our next pattern, which is these little baby candy corns. I think these little candy corns are adorable. I think it would also be a super quick project. And maybe you could have a bunch of these with the little twist candy that I just showed you. I think it would be adorable to have it all in one bowl at your market. And then of course, during Halloween for decor. The next pattern is this little tiny ghost keychain. I think this is so adorable. I know I keep talking about markets, but I think these would do really well at markets. Like, keychains always do well, but little ghost keychains. This pattern's actually no sew as well, so always a bonus. And yeah, I just love how the little guy is just chilling. Yeah, super cute. All right, and the last pattern that I have to show you guys is actually a free modification to a paid pattern. So I guess technically it's not like a free pattern, but I wanted to show you guys anyway because it's so freaking cute. So on a lot of my previous videos, I've recently been making Tofu, the land turtle, and it is a pattern by Megs Makes Crochet, and this is what Tofu looks like. It is a paid pattern by her, but he is a no-sew land turtle, and I love him. I just love the long neck. I love that it's no sew. So I've been like really obsessed with making them recently, and I've been showcasing him a lot in my recent videos. So Meg came out with a free modification to her Tofu the turtle pattern. So what a modification means is you have to have the original pattern, but now the creator is offering you a modification to that pattern so you can make a different design, but you don't have to rebuy the entire pattern, if that makes sense. But anyway, she came out with a pumpkin pie tofu mod, and I was like, oh my gosh, I need to make this immediately. And it's a free modification on her Instagram, and it looks like this. Like, what? It is so cute. This is actually made by Hannah Garimi, and she's someone I follow on Insta. She makes a lot of Tofu the turtle as well. And yeah, I saw this and I was like, I need to do it. So I figured I'd share it with you guys just in case you also have Tofu the turtle and want to make him into a little pumpkin pie. Alright, that brings us to the end of today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed all of the free patterns that I shared, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Have a great rest of your day. Bye!